Hello all, Mike Heck back again, talking to you about the 3D printing of cosplay, as well as the hyperactive hypercube. Exciting news today. I have finished putting together all of the parts of the hypercube that I can up to this point. I'm waiting for 4 smooth rods, 2 carbon fiber rods, and a very large piece of aluminum that I purchased from Midwest Metals, which allowed me to do a custom size 16 inches by 16 inches, which is probably just slightly larger than the actual print area is going to be, but it's what I think I needed. Um, so I'm going to show you, and I apologize about the shaky cam here. That right there is the hyperactive hypercube. Pardon the mess on the floor and the mess of wires. I still have to do a few wiring changes, and I must get a wiring cable management system, which I have this, which I bought at Home Depot. It's just flex tubing. That's going to go from the SKR 1.3 board up to and follow the Bowden tube and go to where the actual extruder is going to be. And that should keep the tube somewhat rigid while giving it enough motion to go back and forth. The other portion of the cable management system is going to have to be me figuring out how to get all of these pieces to be in the right places without getting hung up in the rest of the printer. The major issue, or the major breakthrough this last week or the last couple days was, as I said, getting all of the motors wired up from my old printer bot, getting all of the heating elements wired up, and I actually have this very large silicone heat pad, which with a, what is it called, solid state switch, a solid state relay, can be controlled by the SKR. Even though it's 110 volts that thing sucks down to power itself, it has the ability to, with the solid state relay, you plug in the 12 volt to one side, and you plug in the 110 to the other, and whenever the 12 volt turns on and says, hey, we should be powering the heat bed, it allows the 110 volt to flow through and get to the heat bed. And this heat bed heats up extraordinarily quickly, and I'm hoping that it does so when it's glued on to the back of the very large aluminum plate I have coming, hopefully in the next 4 to 5 days. I am a little disappointed in that I have not yet gotten the parts from Banggood, any of them, including the ones that were supposedly coming from, I think it was Canada. So I'm still waiting on those. Hopefully I'll see them soon, and I can start putting together the parts that are actually going to be the moving parts of the printer. But the other thing I wanted to show was this is the Jedi Temple Guard Helmet. It's glued together, and whoever made this mask has an extremely small head. This is never going to fit on my face, which is one of the reasons why I want the hypercube, because with the hyperactive hypercube, I won't have to slice this up into 4, 5, 6 pieces. I'll be able to actually just print it out as all one piece. I've seen people doing it with a large CR10 where they've printed out a single helmet in one piece. One guy is doing a Mandalorian helmet in one piece on his CR10, and he said that if you tell the slicing software to exclude any support up in here, as long as you don't have a just suddenly flat surface, it should be able to print. I'm following him to see what his actual results are, but I'm actually thinking about trying that myself on my Mandalorian Because worst case scenario, I can always come in and cut the helmet at a particular height and then make another piece, slice it, print it out, glue it on, and it'll be fine. But thought I'd give an update, show you my neat new thing. I'm actually about to start printing this back piece that's missing. So this will probably go somewhere back there in the near future, since I won't be able to wear it. And my kids, well, they might want it, but we'll see. If they want to use it as a dress-up piece, then they'll probably get it. Anyway, with that, stay safe, stay healthy, and we will talk with you all later. Hopefully, in the next month or two, I'll have some test prints off the hyperactive hypercube for you to see. Have a good day.